Welcome back, guys, with a brand new video. And today we are diving into the world of electronics to uh, explore the fascinating bandpass filter circuits. Uh, Whether you are a beginner or an electronic enthusiast, this video will break down the theory and the implementations behind the bandpass filter and its practical applications. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand what a band pass filter actually is. Uh, as by name, you can understand a band pass. It's allow only a band to pass, and as we are designing the filter, so it's named as a band pass filter. And if we look at the definition, okay, what is the exact definition of a bandpass filter? Then a bandpass filter is an electronic circuit designed to allow a specific range of frequencies, a band of frequencies to pass through while attenuating or blocking others, the low pass and the high pass frequencies. It consists of some passive components like resistors and capacitors, and you can say inductors. I will draw here, then you will see. Let me select the components. If we make a capacitor here, then on the second we required a resistor of, I will set it later. Then we also need an inductor. Okay, fine. We required these three values. Then we required a sweep timer. Okay. Then we required a output line. Okay. Now we will adjust it according to our requirement, that circuitry. Then we need a inductor here, and then we need a capacitors here. We adjust the values to check the working, and we will move this like here. Okay, the and we will select it here. Now we have to simple connect this circuitry. Okay, fine, I will make it refine. Give me a moment. Now we also need a ground. Firstly, I think it's now looking better. Now again we also make this as, okay, fine. Now we require a ground here. I have seen the ground here. We require a wire to draw this. I think this is not connected. Yeah. Uh, Why this is not connecting here? Let me connect it directly instead of using the pieces of wires. Okay, this is not connected, but let me change the values according to the hour. I think we need here the output. Yes, this will give us a graphical representation also. So let me view in new scope here, that, and to change the values, give me a moment, 1 second. Okay, why this is common. Yes, it's work fine now. Now it's not connected here, we have to connect it here. Now it's fine. And similar, there is maybe an issue. Yeah, it's fine too now. Give me a moment and make it a little bit straight to look it in a better way. Here we have the output. Now we have to change the values and frequency sweep. To set the frequency sweep, here we will change it to the 500 and 150, and the minimum frequency we set 10. 10 is fine, I think so. Make it logarithmic also. Now we have to, it's bidirectional, and apply. Okay, fine. And we will change the value of inductor to, here we have selected the inductor value is 1 Henry, but we will change it to 500 millihenry. And if we, why he changed not, let me change the value of this to 31.7 U. Okay, and for the Henry we have to change this to 500 milli. It's changed now. Now we can also view a new scope here, the input and the output. Let me remove this and add it again. Now we can see here the band pass across the, let me change the simulation speed, that it's charge and discharge the circuitry first, then we can easily, I think it's fine here. Yeah, now if we change the frequency limit a little bit, that to show you the how the band pass is working, if you can see here that the first one is the sweep log input and the second one is the output. We are getting 2.923 as the output voltages. Now it's changed to 1.08. It's only allowing a band to pass out. Others, the low frequencies and the high frequencies, is not allowed to pass out from the circuitry. So here is the working principle of the band pass filter. Let me uh, the resistor here controls the flow of current. As you can see here, that when the frequency is going to increase, then the output is changing. Okay, and let me change the value of resistance. Is too high here, that's why it's not giving a proper result. Let's make it 250. Now you can see here the waveform is now pure without any noise, and you can see here as the frequency increases, the band pass filters is only allow a band to pass, not allow the frequencies in the a while ago that was low. And in the previous videos we already discussed what about that what is the frequency and how it's work in any low pass or high pass filter, RL, RC, or now it's a band pass. As you can see here, as the frequency decreases, here this one the yellow one is showing us a current, and the other one is showing us the input voltages, and the this is the output here. And as I already told you, the resistors is controlling the flow of current, while the capacitors stores and release electrical energy, and the operational amplifier, or you can say inductors, implies the filtered signal after connecting the components here. According to the bandpass filter schematic, the bandpass filter circuit is ready here and working according to the requirements. Mm, and you can see here one more thing, that the sweep to different frequencies, that how the band pass filter selectively allows a specific range of frequencies to pass through while others get attenuated. You can see here that now the frequencies is changed to high, and it's not allowing to pass the high frequencies. And as the frequencies is decreasing, only it's allow the medium, you can say, between the low pass and high pass frequencies. And if we talk about the practical applications, the application of band pass filters are widespread, from audio equalization in music system to signal processing and communication devices. They play a crucial role in shaping the desired signals. They are also used in biomedical devices, like you can say radar systems, and even systematic data analysis. Mm, and let's hear that bandpass filters basically are integral in fine-tuning signals in our radar systems, ensuring accurate readings for navigation and tracking. And the versatility of bandpass filters makes them indispensable in modern technology. And that concludes our journey into bandpass filter circuits. We have learned how they function, built a basic circuit, explored their applications, and about their importance. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit a like, share, and subscribe for more content on electronic circuits and everything in between. Until next time, keep exploring and tinkering. Thanks for watching. One more thing, if you require any type of assistance in electrical and electronics project, you can ping me a message on my WhatsApp number, and also you can visit my Upwork and Fiverr profile. Mm, uh, if you require any type of assistance. Thank you so much for watching the video.